What's up, y'all? Yellowbone, the neighborhood customizer. It's early in the morning, but let's go ahead and get some things rolling. I'm working on putting patches on beanies right now. I did a video for y'all earlier in the week, possibly last week, where I showed y'all how to digitize so that you can do attachments with your embroidery machine on hats, beanies, shirts, jackets, deals like that. So this is me showing you how I go about putting these patches on beanies. I like to use sticky adhesive in order to put these patches on the beanie and just to hold it in place while it is stitching around it. And y'all might notice I put that upside down. That's a no-no. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip these out real fast. It's not that hard. The bean stitch takes a little bit more time to rip out. The placement stitch is just a regular run, so it's easy to cut those out. Remember, always cut out from the back. Don't cut out from the front, cut out from the back. The bobbin is your anchor. Cut your anchor, and then the front will release. Look how clean that came back out. So let's try that one more time. Let's do that one more time. Wake up. Like I said, it's early, y'all. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna throw this onto my hoop, and I want to show y'all how I set these up. This little tab right here, I like to put the beanie underneath it and then push up with my knee in order to keep that beanie nice and tight while I am hooping it. So I put my backing on the hoop and then just pull the beanie over top it. I smooth it out and I align it with the teeth of the hoop, the bottom teeth of the hoop, and then go ahead and throw that across, and we're ready to get back on the machine. I'm not gonna stitch it on upside down this time, y'all. So this is your placement stitch running right here. And then after that placement stitch runs, you put your sticky adhesive on there. I'm putting it on the correct way this time so it's not upside down. And I go ahead and get this onto the machine. And then we're gonna let it run through. I'll let y'all watch it. And that is doing a bean stitch to tack this down. I'm actually gonna turn my speed down. I turn my speed down to about 400 or 450, and that's a good speed to make sure that it doesn't mess your patch up while it's stitching out. Keep it from wrinkling up, and it'll run right on around for you, y'all. Doing it on beanies and doing it on jackets and flats are a lot easier than doing it with hats, because hats have a curve to them and your patch is gonna kind of morph a little bit as it stitches out. So I always have to kind of lead it and slow it down as I'm going through. But on these beanies and on shirts and things, I don't have to do that. That placement stitch on the outside, I'll rip that out. As you can see, you won't see it on there anymore. I've got this the right way. It's upside down until I flip it inside out and then flip that front part up. Now, that's how it's supposed to be. And that's it, y'all. It's really easy to get patches attached to your garments using your embroidery machine. You don't really need to go out and get any extra gear, any extra machinery in order to do that. You can, of course, and I'm sure it's a lot faster. If you're pushing out thousands of beanies, thousands of hats like that, I'm sure it is way faster to go ahead and upgrade and get the right machinery in order to just stitch those out manually. But as far as using your machine, that's gonna do it. I appreciate y'all for following. I appreciate y'all for keeping up and asking questions. I'll keep getting videos up to explain anything that I'm doing. I try to do it while I'm working on certain projects. It gets rough whenever you really get backed up in production, but I try to keep y'all up to date with what I'm doing. So if you have any questions, you have any concerns about your machinery, about your embroidery, feel free to email me. It's awg.creations@gmail.com. email me. If you need digitizing services, you can email me. I can send you my pricing sheet. My digitizing prices are between $12 to $40 on the regular. Unless you're doing something really big, you can get up to $75 to $100, depending all on the detail. But y'all hit me up, man. Let me know if y'all have anything else. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, man. I love y'all.